Let me ask you something real quick. What if you never invested a single dollar in your life? Like none, nada, zero. Think you're just playing it safe? Not even close. You're actually losing more than you think. And in this video, I'm going to show you how much it's silently costing you, year after year. See, most people don't feel the loss because it's invisible. It's not like skipping your morning coffee or forgetting to pay a bill. There's no alert, no penalty fee. But while you're living life thinking you're doing okay, your money is losing out on opportunities every single day. And the craziest part, no one tells you this stuff in school or even when you get your first job. I used to think I was being responsible. Back when I got my first steady paycheck, I'd set aside a little money in my savings account and feel proud. I wasn't spending recklessly. I wasn't in debt. I thought that was enough. But deep down, I had this tiny voice in the back of my head whispering, "Shouldn't your money be doing more than just sitting there?" I ignored it for a while. But one day, I decided to run the numbers just out of curiosity. I plugged in a basic calculator, $200 a month for 40 years, with average returns from the market. What popped up on the screen almost knocked me out of my chair. Over $1 million from just $200 a month. That's when it hit me. The cost of not investing isn't about what you lose. It's about what you miss. It's the house you could have bought, the business you could have launched, the freedom to quit a job you hate or take care of your family without stress. And that's when I realized I wasn't playing it safe. You ever hear someone say, "I'll start investing when I make more money"? I used to say that too. The truth is, it's not about how much you have, it's about how early you start. The real magic? It's called compounding. And it's not some complicated finance buzzword. It's literally just interest on top of interest, growth on top of growth. Money that makes more money the longer it sits and works for you. Let me paint you a picture. Two friends, let's call them James and Sam. James starts investing at 22, nothing crazy, just $150 a month. Sam waits until 32, thinking she needs to make more money before she even starts. They both invest the same amount every month. Same market, same returns. The only difference? James gave his money a 10-year head start. Now fast forward to when they're both 60. James? He's sitting on nearly $500,000. Sam? Barely crosses $250,000. She literally invested the same amount of money, just started later, and now she's behind by hundreds of thousands. It's not because James picked better stocks. It's not because James made more money. It's simply because he used time to his advantage. And that's the part most people overlook. Time is the one thing you can never get back. You can always find a new job. You can always earn another paycheck, but you can never rewind the clock. Here's another way to look at it. Think about planting a tree. You plant a seed, you water it, you give it sunlight, and over the years it grows into something strong. A tree that gives you shade, fruit, protection. But if you wait too long to plant that seed, yeah, you'll still get a tree. But it'll never be as big. It'll never be as strong. That's your money. Every month you wait, that seed stays unplanted. And no one else is going to plant it for you. Now I know what you're thinking. Man, I can't even afford to invest right now. I've got bills, rent, student loans. I get it. But here's the honest truth. You don't need a lot to get started. Even if it's just $50 a month. That's like skipping one night out or waiting an extra month before buying new sneakers. And if you consistently invest that small amount, over time, it still adds up to tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands. The most dangerous lie you can believe is that investing is only for rich people. It's not. It's for regular people like you and me who are trying to build something better, not overnight, but slowly, steadily, over time. There's another villain you need to watch out for. It's sneaky. It's called inflation. Sounds boring, I know, but it's quietly wrecking your money. Every year, your money is worth a little less. Prices go up, groceries cost more, gas prices climb. But your savings? If it's just sitting in a regular bank account, it's not growing fast enough to keep up. So while you think you're playing it safe, your money's actually shrinking. It's like trying to save water in a bucket with a tiny hole at the bottom. It doesn't matter how full it looks today. Eventually it drains. That's what inflation does. And the only real way to fight it, you guessed it, investing. Now here's the part that should give you hope. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to pick the next Amazon or predict the next market crash. You just have to start. There are apps that let you invest with your spare change. You can automate it, forget about it, and let it grow while you live your life. The important thing is building the habit, starting now, learning as you go, because the people who win with money aren't the smartest. They're the most consistent. And I promise you, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, you'll be so glad you started. You'll open your account, see how much it's grown, and think, dang, I'm really doing this. So here's my challenge to you. If you've been waiting, hesitating, second guessing, stop. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait until you feel ready. Start with what you have, where you are, and just build from there. Because one day, your future self is going to look back and either thank you or wish you had done it sooner. If you're still here, it means you care about your future. You want more than just surviving. You want freedom, options, peace of mind. And I'm telling you right now, it's 100% possible. Start investing, even if it's just a few bucks a week. Even if you don't have it all figured out yet. You don't need perfection, you just need action. If this video helped shift your mindset even a little, hit that like button. And if you want more no fluff, real-world financial advice, subscribe. We're just getting started. And hey, just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is meant to educate, not tell you exactly what to do with your money. Always do your own research. I got you. Let's build wealth one smart decision at a time. See you in the next one.